Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the free RecordCast online screen recording app. So this is all done within your web browser, so there's nothing to download and install, and it's free to use. So you could easily make some screen captures, and you could record your computer audio, you could record your microphone audio, your webcam video and audio, and that kind of thing. So just going to give you a quick rundown on how to do it. Just go to recordcast.com. So one thing I want to mention is, since this is free and it's done online, just be careful what you're recording, because you don't know what's getting kept online and what's really not being kept online. So don't record anything banking information or websites that you don't want anybody else to see. So what you do when you first get here, you just click on Start Recording. And then you pick if you want your screen and your webcam only, or screen only. I'm going to do screen only. Then click on Next Step. And now you have options if you want to do your microphone and system audio. So system audio, is so if you're playing a song or something on your computer, or recording a video with audio, you'd want to pick that. Or you could just do your microphone or just the system audio or no audio. I'm going to do system audio because I don't want to record what I'm saying. Well, I'll do microphone and system audio. How about that? Okay, then you want to do click on Start Recording, and you notice here you could do 30 minutes at a time for the free version. And then here's a box that you want to click, or actually a box saying click the Share Audio option when it comes up. So click on Got It here, and then here's the button I was just talking about. So Share Audio, so that way it'll record your audio, and then gives you an option if you want to do your entire screen, the window, or just a Chrome tab of your browser. So we're going to do entire screen, so we click on that, click on Share, and now you can see it's recording. And one thing you got to keep in mind here is this box here where you could stop and pause it. This is going to end up in your video unless you click on Hide. So we'll do that. So now that's hidden. So now if we want to go, I don't know what we could do here. Go to, let's see, YouTube, and then we could watch this mountain bike video, for example, here. Let's see if it records the audio. Or maybe something with a little better audio might be good to do, like a little live video here with some
Do not pay full price on your next iPhone. Capital One Shopping compares prices with other Apple retailers to find the best deal and automatically...
Okay, so we have our stuff here. So when we're done, we could go back to this screen here, or if we didn't have our thing hidden, we could pause there. We're going to click on Stop. And right when you click on Stop, you have the option to download and edit. So we'll click on that. And right away, it's going to give you an option to download it, and you could change the name to, whatever you want to do it, and wherever you want to save it. It's going to save it as a WebM video file, which you should be able to open with a lot of video players. Click on Save, and then it automatically puts it in your editor as well. So what you could do here is you could import other media, add some more recordings. If you want to add some text, you click on one, you click on Add to Timeline, and you can see it puts it in there. You could change the text. And my screen's kind of small here, so you can't really see it. And then here's the timeline down here. And if you want that text to be on, more of the timeline, you could kind of drag it along here and move that somewhere here. Maybe I could change the color here, or maybe not. And then you could add other titles too. So if you don't want one, you could click on Delete and just drag it along here. Let me see if I make it stand out a little more by putting the something behind it. So there you go. So now you can see it a little better. And like I said, that text will show up wherever it is on the timeline here. And then you could add backgrounds, elements. So if you want to have, like, here's a thumbs up, we could add that, and I'll put it right on top of it. And then you could drag that along and stretch it out. So then you could kind of watch the preview here. Get rid of this here. So you kind of see how it works. Or maybe something with a little better audio might be. So then recorded my microphone audio as well, so that's going to kind of double it up. Another option. So, I'm not going to go over too much how to do the editing, so you can kind of figure that out for yourself. So once you're done here editing, so if you don't want to use just your plain video file, so here's just the basic file. And now you can see it's recording. And one thing you got to keep in mind here is this box here where you could stop. Let me mute that. So this is just the basic recording that we just did before with no editing. So if that's good enough for you, that's all you got to do. But if you want to go into the editor here and then make some changes, then you could export it when you're done. But you're going to have to sign up for an account to export it though. So that's the one catch. So if you want to just make a plain screen recording with no edits, and then you want to maybe edit it in your own video editing software, you could do that for free. But if you want to use their editor and then export it, then you're going to need to sign up for a free account. So once again, RecordCast.com, and then once you get there, I'm not going to save it. Just like I said, click on Start Recording, go through the motions, pick what you want to do, and then download the basic file if you want, if you don't want any edits on it, or you could use their video editor and sign up and then export it with all your changes on it. All right, hopefully that makes sense. So just go to the site, give it a try, and it should be pretty easy to figure out once you start playing with it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.